Tonight, after a long day of rest on the sea day, we are going to, the first time is included, Cucina Del Capitano on board the ship's Italian restaurant. And actually, the XL class are the only ships where it is included for one sitting. All the other ships in the fleet, it is a specialty dining all the time. But let's go check it out. We have been on this on Carnival Celebration and Carnival Mardi Gras. So now we're going to go check it out on the Carnival Jubilee and see what's changed or if there's anything better or improved. Let's go. Cucina Del Capitano. It is pretty packed tonight, but it is included your first time. After that, it is $8 per person. But the menu looks even better than I remember. It looks more substantial, like a real restaurant, not a free or included kind of place. And I got the captain's recommendations, so we're going to see how those turn out. Nona's meatball. That's a lot of cheese. The arancini. Caprese salad and the cured tuna. Caprese salad. This is the captain's dish. His wife makes this dish and it is in here for a limited time. Well, I think. I forgot what it's called, but it looks amazing. And the carbonara. And now for dessert. From the captain's suggestions, the tiramisu.
Lemon ice bar?
Lemon ice bar. We're gonna have acrobats above us. Here they come. Behind us. They're coming. Oh, there they are on the screen. That's what's taking so long. They're over there jiving it up by Emerald. Here they go. Don't you wanna? Don't you wanna?
We'll make it here eventually.
They're on their way. And, oh, here they come.